be honest, I wish to make some aesthetic video, but this isn't looking aesthetic at all. Anyway, so hello everyone, I am Tashir Vastu and I am a writer. Wait. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say that I am a writer and I have so many stories to tell and so many things to do. And along with being a writer, I have so many other interests as well. For example, I have recently begun drawing. I love art. I love art. But I just felt so incapable of doing that. So, but recently I began because we only live once, and this ideology stayed with me. The caption stayed with me for a very long period of time that we live once, and still I was very hesitated with so many things I really want to do. And some of them included, for example, I really want to sing a song, my own song, the song I have written and I have played the melody for, but I am still not very much capable of making melodies or this rhythm of the song. Yeah, I do have written some lyrics in Hindi lyrics, which aren't so good and not even complete. But let's see what happened. Recently, I watched few videos. I wasn't going to shoot this at all, but I saw some videos of some YouTubers. I'll maybe show the photos of them, and they made me realize that YouTube videos are not always meant to be so much edited and so many things happening in them. Maybe so many photos attached. A YouTube video can be as simple as you want to make, because creating is what that matters. इवन इन राइटिंग मैं बहुत टाइम तक मैं इसलिए नहीं लिख रही थी बिकॉज मुझे लगता था कि मेरी राइटिंग इनफ नहीं है। मैं लिखती भी थी, उन्हें शेयर नहीं करती थी बिकॉज मुझे लगता था कि इतने सारे प्रोफेशनल राइटर्स इतने अच्छा लिखते हैं, मेरा तो लाइक एवरेज एवरेज सा ही है। बट पता नहीं क्या मैंने सोचा एंड आई शेयर इट फर्स्टली विथ माई फैमिली, देन विथ माई फ्रेंड्स, एंड दे लाइक इट। या दे डिड एंड दे स्टिल डू, and it was quite shocking for me because I thought I wasn't enough. But this this wasn't ever about being enough. It was about being you and yourself. And so I'm also creating this video for the exact reason, because we only live once, and since we live once we should not leave any कसर. ओके, कभी कोई कसर नहीं छोड़नी है आपको जीवन में आपके। I sorry, I always end so many ends. I don't know why, because I guess this happened when you study in a convent school in India. You begin be speaking English like this only. Not I'm not doing anything else, and that is all. And maybe I'll recite some poems or hear the character I made. Yeah, so maybe I'll try reciting some poems. I'm very much scared to show my face and my voice for some reasons, and but I am trying to overcome this fear also. Okay, since we only live once, there are so many things I want to do, and most of them require the face and the voice. So I have to overcome this fear in order to do all of those things. And yeah, I won't speak very much because that is all I want to speak, I wanted to share. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much, thanks for watching. And if you want to create and you do not like very much of editing and you don't know particular topic, you just want to open a camera and talk, do it. Yes, this is your sign to just talk whatever you want, whatever you like. Even if there's so much gurmy, fan is on, or you do not have light. I also do not have a light. What I am using is my night lamp. Yeah, I love my night lamp. But aesthetic, the angle, you can adjust your angle like this. Yeah, so yeah, so buy a night lamp if you want to yap in a night. This is very good matter. Anyway, that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will not maybe edit this much very much because what I'm speaking, okay, मैं हिंदी में बोल सकती हूँ, I'm totally capable of speaking in Hindi, but मेरी मर्जी में जिसमें बोलूँ, ठीक है, I have a free will, I am live in a sovereign nation. Anyway, thanks for watching, bye bye.